In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze Google Forms fast. Now, when you're dealing with a bunch of data from Google Forms, things can sometimes feel overwhelming, but don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a quick and easy strategy to streamline your analysis process, all in under 5 minutes. First, open up your browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already familiar, Google Drive is where all your Google files are stored, so it's the starting point for accessing your forms. Once you're in Google Drive, take a look at the sidebar on the left and locate the tab labeled Apps. Clicking here allows you to access all the Google applications available to you. Next, from the list of applications, select Forms. This will take you to a list of all the forms you've created, as well as those that have been shared with you. Find the form whose responses you want to analyze, highlight it, and then open it up. Once the form has loaded, you should see a tab labeled Responses at the top. Click on this tab to dive into the data collected via the form. Here, Google Forms beautifully summarizes the data for you, providing visual charts and graphs. Now, if there's a particular chart or graph that you find helpful or need to share, you can easily copy it. Simply right-click on the chart you're interested in and choose Copy Chart. This feature is super handy if you're planning to present the data, since it allows for quick integration into other documents. With the chart copied, your next step is to head over to Google Docs. Open a new blank document where you'll paste this chart. Once the document is ready, all you need to do is right-click and select Paste. This will place the chart you copied from Google Forms into your document, linking it directly, which is a neat feature since it ensures your data stays up to date. Now let's connect this document with your Google form. Attach the document as a link by typing the URL or using the share function within Google Docs. This step ensures that when you make changes to your form or when new responses come in, you can simply return to this document. When you go back to Google Forms, any updates in responses, increase in the number of answers for instance, will be automatically reflected in your Google Docs upon clicking Update. Lastly, whenever you return to your Google Docs and decide to review the data, tap Update to refresh the linked charts. This ensures you're always viewing the most current information. And that wraps up how to efficiently analyze your Google Forms data. By following these steps, you'll be able to collate, present, and update your forms data swiftly and effectively. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect when improving your workflow.